Hi, I'm Ariful. I am a web analytics expert. In this video, I'm going to show you most used freeform tally. So you can collect your lead by telephone, which is super light and easy to use. And in this video, the most important part, I am going to show you that I capture Google Click ID. Sometimes you run your Google Ads, and the Google Click ID is the most important part. So Tally native integration like Tele, iFrame, embedded iFrame, it is impossible to communicate with iFrame and pen paste. So it is not possible to injection Google Click ID to iFrame because this is iFrame limitation. So it cannot catch Google Click ID with a hidden field even new setup. So this part is very impossible to done, and I visited Tally community page. They many of people argument and try to effort this part. So this is not come to it and the conclusion. We are iFrame, embedded iFrame, especially capture the group ID, so I can remarketing or Google Ads machine learning uh, implement back in Google Ads dashboard. So I can improve my return of ad expense. This is the challenge. So now I am going to show you GTM part. Here you see I preview the GTM. GTM going to connect it. GTM connected. So now telephone. You see, this was WordPress site, and embedded iFrame Tally integration. So I'm going to fill up form. Submitted. Form is clear submitted. Now I'm going to show how telephone submission. Telephone GTM preview data push event and parameter have successfully populated. Event name, formatting from name, first and last name, phone call, phone event, even Google Play ID. So now our data is populated here. And what about the data populated GA4 also? This is a view. Yes, telephone submitted. Telephone submitted where the data I am looking for form ID. Yes, form ID matches is the most important part. Form ID. Yeah, form ID. This is form ID. So and then form name. Contact from template. This is the default name of Tally. If you set up another name, you can do nothing. Is it objection. So tag fire. And now the part is how Tally form submitted to Tally dashboard. Now I am going to Tally dashboard. You see Tally dashboard here. This form is recently submitted. Here is successfully. I can take tracking, phone number, email and first and last name. So here you see the Google Click ID is totally blank. As I earlier said at first time, you can even set up Tally a hidden field, but it is a bit never capture Google Click ID because for base GTM to injection iFrame Google ID is not possible. So the Google Click ID is totally now blank. Now I am going to show another part. How this Google Click ID I capture and send to successfully to Google Sheet. Okay, well, Tally you can integration with lot of third-party apps. So integration, you see, I already connected a Google Sheet. You see, this is connected. So this time data flow directly Tally to Google Sheet automatically. But even I earlier said Google Click ID will be black. Now I do some implementation, JavaScript, both GTM and AppScript Google Sheet. So the data will be successfully populated. Now you see I the Google Sheet form and data of Google Sheet. Here you see the data successfully come from Tally CLI dashboard and successfully Google Click ID. this Google ID capture from Google tally event from tally from submission. So tally from submission. Then later app escape uses this from click ID to successfully replace the query by matching email ID because email ID is unique. So this approach will certainly work if you Google Ads running and need to Google click ID. This option is better for your tracking. Now, what I sent to step to go GTM. Here you see I have submitted three custom JavaScript files. One is Google click ID collection. One is tally from listener. Another is tally Google click ID. And tally here I use tally ticket. This trigger successfully Google click ID submission to